Hey y'all, it's Three Chickens Media here to do LOL surprise hair goals unboxing. This will be the first time that I dive into the LOL hair goals. I'm super excited about this one. Hoping that it's going to be super fabulous. Everything that I've seen about them, they all are. And so I can't wait to see which little girl we're going to open up today. Let's go ahead and get this one opened up. Oh, dropped some of that on the floor there. We'll just go ahead and leave that there for now. Open up these two double doors. And I'm going to go ahead and take all the papers out that are sitting in the front because I don't want there to be anything giving it away. I want to go through each thing individually and be super surprised. So let's take everything out of here and we'll open it all up. Let's get this clue out. I'm going to show y'all that one. Cute. All right, let's get into this first little surprise. All right, looks like it's a hat. Oh, there's two things, a hat, cute, and a little burger. Oh, that's so darling, how cute. All right, let's get into this second piece. Technically the third, but second wrapped. All right, and what do we got here? We've got her little outfit. That's darling. And some roller skates. Oh my gosh, how cute. She's like a little, oh my gosh, she's a little burger girl. Oh, that's so cute. All right, let's open this one up. What do we got here? And here's some little clips for her hair. Oh, those are little cherries and some, those look like racing flags. Cool. All right, let's get this open up, these little curlers. And that one up. And we'll go ahead and open the doll first. Oh my gosh, you guys, she is so adorable. I love her golden blonde hair. She is so cute. All right, let's get into this top layer here, the little seat. And we'll open this stuff up. We've got her little stand here. And this is the attachment that goes onto the lid where she can stand on top, and this goes on here. I'll go ahead and put that on real fast. Now let's go ahead and do her color change. Oh my gosh, you guys, she is a cold water changer and she is getting a super cute outfit under there. Looks like some black and white polka dotted pants with a little crop top. Oh, that is so adorable, you guys. Very cute. Let's give her a little more dip so we can really try and bring out that color. Very cute. All right, we're gonna go ahead and get her dressed. And then I realized that I actually didn't open up the curlers all the way. So I will go through and do that in a second because I think there's little surprises inside there too. But we'll go ahead and we'll get her dressed and set up and then we'll go and open those last little surprises. Alright, y'all, say goodbye to Small Fry from Hairgoals Series 2 of LOL Surprise. And thanks for stopping by 3 Chickens Media. Like and subscribe to this video. Leave comments on what y'all like to see next. And we'll see y'all next time. Bye, y'all.